Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we will do the fourth chapter from the book First Flight. The chapter titled From the Diary of Anne Frank. This chapter is an extract from the book The Diary of a Young Girl, where Anne Frank chronicles the events of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. Anne Frank was a German-born Jewish girl. Her father, Otto Frank, gave her a diary as a present on her 13th birthday. Her diary entries make it clear that she had an insightful mind, that is, she was a keen observer of men and manner. Let's discuss what makes Anne Frank write a diary. Anne Frank and her family had to go in hiding in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. As persecution against the Jewish family increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in some concealed rooms behind a bookcase in her father's office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system where Anne died of typhus. During this time, Anne felt extremely lonely. Here she says, I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary, everyday things. So during this time, she felt extremely lonely. Though she had loving parents and a good family, like she says, there were about 30 people, but she couldn't talk to them on vital issues. She could discuss only ordinary things with them. She lacked a true friend. There she says, except my one true friend. So she lacked a close friend. She wanted to lighten her heart by sharing her intimate thoughts with someone. There she says, I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. So she wanted to lighten her heart by sharing her intimate thoughts with someone. So she decided to write a diary. She named the diary Kitty because it was less of a diary and more of a friend. There she says, I want the diary to be my friend, and I'm going to call this friend Kitty. So she named the diary Kitty. It was less of a diary and more of a friend. And a friend must be addressed intimately. So she treated her diary as a friend. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. So she thought of the saying, paper has more patience than people. She believed that people have little patience to listen to the people in distress and depression. But one can write on a paper or on a page of a diary as much as one wants to write. The paper does not complain, or mind. On the contrary, people are impatient and are unwilling to listen to the feelings of the individuals. Thus, the diary had a special significance for Anne. I hope this is going to help you understand what makes Anne Frank write a diary. Thank you.